Hi, my name is Tina and I'm the newest 8-week challenge member here at Topline. If you're thinking about joining a new gym, and I feel like every time you are thinking about joining a new gym or starting a new class, you get that fear built up in your head like, oh my gosh, am I gonna be good at this? Or just that anxiety built up about starting something new. And I feel like walking into Topline, there was no anxiety. And with the 8-week challenge, I feel like I am supported because I know that people are looking at my tracking, and the workouts are so amazing too because it's never the same thing and it's fun when you're around the community. And so I feel like you work even harder because people do notice your change and your progress, and I feel like that's big because for myself and like for everybody, I feel like we are our own worst critics. And at Topline, they don't see that. They see the hard work that you put in.